Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Minoxidil is one of the most widely used treatments for pattern hair loss. It works by helping hair follicles stay in their growth phase longer and by increasing blood flow around the follicles. You've probably noticed that minoxidil comes in different strengths: 2%, 5%, and sometimes even 10 or 15%. But what do these numbers actually mean? And does a higher percentage automatically mean better or fast hair growth? Let's look at the signs. As hair loss progresses, the follicle becomes smaller and produces thinner, weaker hair. Minoxidil helps keep that follicle active for longer. Minoxidil works inside your hair follicles by increasing blood flow. But your scalp has a limited number of enzymes called sulfotransferases. Think of these enzymes as tiny workers in a factory. The 5% minoxidil solution already gives them enough raw material to work at full speed. Pouring in 10% minoxidil does not make them work faster. It just creates waste. A 2021 clinical study directly compared 5% and 10% minoxidil. The 10% group did not grow significantly more hair, however, they had 3 times more side effects like scalp irritation, severe itching, flaking, dryness, increased shedding, initially unwanted facial or body hair growth. Our skin has a safety limit. Beyond 5%, you are not helping hair growth. You are just irritating the skin.
Another critical fact: minoxidil is a prodrug. That means it is inactive until your scalp enzymes convert it. If you are a low responder with few enzymes, even 10% will not work. But using 10% unnecessarily can cause systemic absorption, meaning it enters your bloodstream. This can lead to dizziness or heart palpitations. Doctors never start patients on 10% for a reason. Here is a simple example. Think of watering a plant. 1 cup of water makes it grow. 5 cups do not make it grow 5 times faster. 5 cups just drown the roots. Your hair follicles are the same. 5% is the scientific sweet spot. 10% is only for rare cases where a doctor confirms you need it after months of failure with 5%. So, if you are buying 10% minoxidil over the counter without a prescription, you are likely buying the wrong strength. Save your money, save your scalp. Stick to 5% unless a dermatologist tells you otherwise. More is not always better. Going from 2% to 5% often improves results significantly. But going from 5% to 10% may provide only a small additional benefit while increasing side effects. Many people quit minoxidil during the first few weeks because they notice more hair falling out. This is often called shedding, and in many cases, it's actually a sign that older hairs are being pushed out to make room for new growth. For most people, visible improvement takes at least 3 to 6 months, and maximum results may take up to a year.
Another common myth is that minoxidil creates new hair follicles. It doesn't. It mainly helps existing but weakened follicles produce thicker and healthier hair. And here's perhaps the most important fact. Minoxidil only works while you use it. If you stop treatment, much of the benefit is usually lost over the following months because the follicles return to their previous pattern. For most men and women with pattern hair loss, 5% minoxidil is considered the best balance between effectiveness and safety. Higher concentrations are not necessarily twice as effective, but they are more likely to cause side effects. So, before choosing the strongest bottle on the shelf, remember, when it comes to minoxidil, consistency matters far more than concentration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Healthy Natural Remedies for more such eye-opening videos. Stay strong, stay healthy. God bless you.